What is going on? Welcome back to Financial Journey. So today I want to talk to you about Ethereum Classic. I want to go over some of the current data points, what's been influencing the price as of late, and where I see things going from here. Before I get into any of that, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Always greatly appreciate that. And with that said, let's get right to it. So I'm going to cap off this video with some technical analysis, but right now it is down 0.76%. So it is pulling back. Over the last several days, there has been a nice bump up in ETC, especially considering the broader market has been really rotating out of fixed income and a lot of safer equities into riskier assets, such as even cryptocurrency. The fear and greed index right now is 77, so the market's appetite for risk is definitely very high. And one way to really tell that as well is just looking at the stock Coinbase. And even in this recent video right here, they talk on if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, one way to do that is Coinbase, talking as though it's like a ETF of sorts, kind of backwards mentality if you ask me. But once again, I feel like this does kind of signal that bigger and better things are coming for cryptocurrency as more and more ETFs that are directed to specific coins come out. Obviously with Bitcoin, and in the near future, well, I wouldn't say near future, but probably 2024, Ethereum Classic itself. So I did actually find a good article, so I'm going to do a dedicated video on that in the foreseeable future. I just wanted to play one quick minute of this just to get obviously people's mentality of cryptocurrency and why it is somewhat flawed.
Right, let's jump right into our main story. If you're thinking of investing in cryptocurrencies, you have a choice. You could dive right into the $1.5 trillion crypto market directly by buying Bitcoin or Ether, for example. But there's another way to get exposure. You can invest in a publicly traded crypto-focused business. For some, investing in a stock is familiar territory. For others exploring the nascent industry, there could be added benefits of investing in the token itself. So I spoke with industry experts to find out the risks and rewards for each strategy. Both crypto tokens and related stocks are staging a comeback in 2023 after the worst of the crypto winter. As of December 20th, Bitcoin has more than doubled so far this year, rising around 160%. Ether climbed more than 80% in the same time, on pace for its best year since 2021. Meanwhile, crypto companies have rallied too. MicroStrategy has more than quadrupled this year, and crypto miners Riot and Marathon Digital have soared 385% and 546% respectively.
There's kind of the narrative, which is buy Bitcoin and chill, right? And just let the best performing asset of all time compound over a long period of time. It's a finite asset. More capital is going to flow in. The price will go up given enough time. On the other hand, there's people who say, look, I don't want just kind of the beta exposure to the market, right? I want to be able to have some sort of outperformance. And so they'll use leverage, they'll buy equities, they'll do all sorts of different things.
So yeah, ultimately, they kind of ramble on, but I think the increase in liquidity in cryptocurrency as a whole is coming. There was a kind of an ETF, it was called C20. I really like that. It had I guess essentially it was one of the very first unofficial ETFs for cryptocurrency. So it had a basket amount of items, and I really like that. In fact, I did a video on it and how it might be advantageous, but it was just ill ran and it go belly up. But still, I feel like there is an opportunity for that out there. Right now, ETC has been lagging the crypto market, which is very unfortunate. Over the last 5 days, it is up 6.02%. So in comparison to a lot of the other cryptos, it's been lagging. And you can kind of even tell that based on this. So ETC right now, based on market cap, is number 32. So it has been dropping. You can even tell over the last 7 days, a lot of coins have gone up about 65%, 18%, whereas ETC, like I mentioned, is just lagging. So not necessarily the best performing one, but similar to what they mentioned in that video, you have to, I guess, buy and chill, if that makes sense. Because ETC and just cryptocurrency in general will take time to kind of be ingrained in the broader market. And I have frequently brought this up though, because I always like to kind of monitor it. The number of merchants accepting ETC as a form of payment is currently $1,231.